Dear student of class 10th, good afternoon. Today I want to start a new chapter, pair of linear equation of two variables. In previous class you have already learned about the linear equation of one variable or the linear equation of two variables in class 9th. So first of all, we define what is the linear equation in two variables. An equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, called a linear equation in two variables x and y. Means equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables where a, b, c are real numbers. Now see pair of linear equation in two variables. Similarly, let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is a first linear equation of two variables, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 be the second linear equation of the two variables. चूँकि यहाँ पर दो लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स हैं, सो वी called this pair of linear equation in two variables. First equation this, second is this, where a, b, c, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. These are the definitions of a linear equation in two variable and the pair of linear equation in two variables. Now an important things you have study this representation of pair of linear equation algebraically and geographically or geometrically. मीन्स किसी पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को हम किस तरह से एल्जेब्राइकली और ज्योमेट्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ये जो है कि जानना है. इसके लिए some examples are given for you. Please see. Given an example, let see Garima went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Garima, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. मीन्स क्वेश्चन है कि गरिमा मार्केट से 2 पेंसिल और 3 इरेजर ₹9 में ख़रीदती है और सेम वेराइटी की उसी प्रकार की उसकी फ्रेंड सोनाली 4 पेंसिल और 6 इरेजर ₹18 में ख़रीदती है. तो इन दोनों कंडीशंस को आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एल्जेब्राइकली रिप्रेजेंट करना है, इसके बाद जो है इसको ज्योमेट्रिकली या ग्राफिकली भी रिप्रेजेंट करना है। फॉर दिस सीरीज सॉल्यूशन लेट द कास्ट ऑफ वन पेंसिल एंड वन इरेजर बी ₹X एंड ₹Y रिस्पेक्टिवली। मीन्स सपोज कर लीजिए कि एक पेंसिल का कास्ट ₹X और एक इरेजर का कास्ट ₹Y है। देन अकॉर्डिंग टू एबव कंडीशन वी हैव, फर्स्ट कंडीशन में 2 पेंसिल एंड 3 इरेजर है, तो 2 पेंसिल का कास्ट 2X, 3 इरेजर का कास्ट 3Y। देन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिकम्स 2X plus 3Y equal to 9. Similarly, according to second condition, in second condition there is 4 pencils and 6 erasers. So second equation becomes 4X plus 6Y equal to 18. This is second equation. This representation 2X plus 3Y equal to 9 and 4X plus 6Y equal to 18. This is called algebraically representation of the above situations. Now represent this situation geometrically or graphically. For this you have already studied in coordinate X and Y axis. With the help of coordinate we describe this geometrical representation. First equation becomes by transposition, first equation becomes y equal to 9 minus 2x upon 3 and second equation becomes y equal to 18 minus 4x upon 6. Then we plot a table as x for first equation, this table, this is x column, this is y equal to 9 minus 2x upon 3, substituting, taking two values. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 3. If x equal to 4.5, y equal to 0. According to second condition, y equal to 18 minus 4x upon 6. X 0, putting x equal to 0, y equal to 3. X equal to 3, then y equal to 1. ठीक है, ठीक है. From these two values we plot graph. For first equation x is 0 means x axis पर 0 and y axis पर 3, this point, and 4.5 on x axis and y axis on 0. This point and this point represent first equation, and 0, 3 and 3, 1, 0, 3 and 3, 1 are the 2 points of the second pair of second linear equation of two variables. These two linear equation coincide each other at the point 0, 1. 0, 1 is 0, 3 is the solution of both equations. So line obtained from the first equation and line obtained from the second equation coincide each other. These are the geometrical or graphical representation of both the given equations are a pair of linear equations. Dear student, with the help of this, you have to solve exercise 3.1 very easily. Please complete it. I will check it when school will reopens. Thank you.